hooked up my trolley, no, not trolley, trommel to the hopper I had before, where I was playing around with black sands. The setup is pretty much the same as the black sands mucking around, only I've put the trommel in and the motor. This is a 5 litre. Oh, I don't know. Is this 5 litres? What's this one? It says 5 litre anyway. This is 5 litre. This is material I've had here for some time from the creek. I don't know when it was, COVID times, lockdown, I don't know. But it's from at Gardeners Road there, near the ford. I filtered it down to under 1/4 inch. So the trommel's not really necessary for this, but anyway, I'll put it's heaps and heaps of sand here, heaps of sand. But I don't go 5 litres. I got 4 litres. Oh, I got about 4 litres there. So I'll run this. See what happens. I got about. I think I got 2.5 degrees of angle on my VMAT. The pump, the 1100 pump, I'll have a flat chat, and I'm going to feed it with a spoon, with an eating spoon, slamming it in. If it doesn't take all day. Some of this sand has gone into lumps. Never mind. Okay, so that's that. Let's fire this up and see what we can catch. I'll be going out in a few days or so, hopefully, if I get a chance. So I heaped the eating spoon at a time, just throwing it in. Shit. Oi! Don't bang it. It's a bit flimsy. Oh yeah, clumsy. I gotta fix it so it's not so flimsy, because I'm clumsy. I'm gonna break it. Doing this. Oh, stop banging it. Hey. I haven't secured the hopper. The hopper's just sitting there by gravity. And the way this funnel is attached, it pulls the hopper forward, which I don't want it to do. I need to do a bit more mucking around, but I want to test it right now because I've got a bit of an adrenaline rush. Been over a week now, I haven't been out. I probably could have used a trowel to feed it, but then if I was using the trowel I'd be dribbling it in anyway, and I figured, well, instead of dribbling in a huge load, just slam in a small load. This means whatever feels more comfortable. This is alright. Got the bucket resting on my leg. When I'm at the creek, I'll have my deck chair there, and I can just sit and feed it in, comfortable. And that's that. Just a little bit come out, big rocks, not much because it's already filtered down to the same size as the trommel. I'll just let that run a little bit. The trommel is slightly downhill, so as it rotates, it falls out. Here, the trommel should be on these wheels, but it's not. But that's not a problem. I hope. I'm not sure why that's not, but it's not. What is it rubbing on? It's not rubbing on the wheels, must be rubbing on something else. Just in the sky, being supported by the bearing at the back. That's fine. Okay, so that's that over. No, over. Turn that off. Now, to get the mat out, I've got to dismantle everything, you see. This is the problem. I need to unplug the motor from this piece of string and place it down here. Now I move the water pump out of the way. Now this should just lift. I believe this should just lift. Okay. That can go on the ground here. And then the sluice actually stays there. I'll just take the mat out. Okay. And the water's dirty, but I didn't bring my glasses. How are you gonna? Oh no, I'm wearing them. Yeah. Well, I can see here some black sands. Here nothing, and over there nothing, and zero gold. Nothing got caught over there, and no gold. That's surprising that there be no gold in that sample. Anyway, I'll wash this mat out. Check. Okay, nothing. Backwash it. Geez, I caught hardly nothing. That I don't understand why that is. Do I need to drop the angle, or do I need to turn the water down? It's blowing. I've got a very little bit of black sands. And there's 2 bits of fly shit. You can see that. And one there. And they're compared to a grain of sugar, probably about the same or less. Compared to a grain of salt, bigger. Yeah, I don't call them easy visibles, I call them bogus nuggets. and there's no fly sheet. There was one fly sheet floated away somewhere. So only 2 bits. So what I'm going to do, but not film it, I'm going to run what got through again. I'm going to measure my angle I was running the sluice at first, and I'm going to run what I just ran again to see if any gold got away over. I did run the tailings again. I didn't film it, but what I got, I ran the tailings again, but with the water maybe half the normal full flow. And what I got, pretty much an equal amount of material got caught in the sluice, but 0 gold. So there's a big win. That could mean that the gold just keeps getting away, which probably not. Or I've caught all the gold that was in the sample, the 5 litre, or whatever it is, 2 litre, 5 litre, whatever that bucket was of material. There's a poor thing. This is I've run it 3 times now. This here, I've dropped it back to 2 degrees, from 3 down to about 2. And also at the pump at a slow angle, a slow flow. But this time I introduced 6 pieces of gold. Small pieces. Various sizes. No nuggets or nothing like that, stupid. But visible. So we'll see. I got a lot more black sand now, which is what I want, because I don't want everything to blow out. I want some black sand to stay behind. This might be the answer, 2 degrees, I don't know. I should have looked where the gold actually landed. I must have caught at least some of those 6. Anyway, I need 6 in here. If I haven't got 6 in here, there's an issue. That means at the creek, it will be going down the toilet as well. So let's backwash this together and see what we got, what we haven't got. Looking for 6 pieces of gold. Material, pretty much the same amount of material, again, even at 2 degrees. Okay, I've got 1 gold, 2 gold, 3 gold, 4 gold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 6. I can see 6 with that, and they're floating. Anyway, I better start again because it's floating. You can't stop. Once you stop, the gold dries out, and I don't know what happens, but they float. So just, I'll do this, tap, tap, tap. I got the 6 anyway. I'll show them. I hate these glasses. These are the $5 glasses from the Chinese shop. Those reading glasses. They're cheap. But my eyes are getting worse every year. My eyes are worse. I need to... I think a bit of gold got away. Look, I'm worried about floating and shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's how much material got caught on the 3rd run through. With 6 pieces introduced. Don't believe me, there's 6. Look here. These glasses, I need stronger glasses. There they are. Okay. Who can see that? That's 1. Sun. Shade, that's 1. And if you look carefully here, you should be able to see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 a little bit, 3/4 of an inch away, 5. So 5, 1 and 6. So I'm catching all the gold. Thank goodness. So that's a good sign. So that means, it'd be nice if I caught 7. No, it wouldn't be. It would be nice if I caught 6, because that's how many there was. So that's telling me if I go to the creek, I won't be filtering it down to 1/4 inch. I'll be filtering it down to I can find my buckets loose. See, I have this is the 1/4 inch bucket sieve. It's pretty much the same. I mean, it's the same material that my trommel's made out of. So that's the idea of the trommel. I don't need to use that. Next one up is the 1/2 inch. And I don't need to use that. But I do need to use this 1 inch, and I might actually try to reinforce it. I've had it for quite a few outings. Not an infinite number, but some. And it's starting to fall apart, so I need to... maybe I'll make a new one and secure it better. But anyway, so I would just... You shovel the material, you get your bucket. Come on. Fill it up with water to the brim. Put in your 1 inch. And then you put a shovel full of gravel from the creek. And then you do that dancing business. And the big ones, put it over there. Another shovel. A good heap shovel. Choke it up. A little bit gentle because I made it flimsy. Everything I make is always flimsy. I'm not selling it, it's for me. I like when it breaks, then I can fix it. Gives me something to do. Tip it over there, another shovel. Until I pretty much, that's 10 litres. Till I get about 6 litres. Then I'll feed it into this, that what I had. And that will, from that 6 litres, a lot of them will be big rocks over 1 inch. And they will go into this container. And then that, I throw it over there. And put it back for the next layer. Otherwise, if I don't put this here, it will pile up. From this original 6, I don't know how much. Depends what sort of, how it is, eh? But it might drop down to, say, 2 litres actually hitting the, getting through the trommel onto the mat. And all the gold will be in the mat because I caught 6 out of 6, that's 100%. So I might do that. The advantage of having it the advantage of I forgot the advantage. The advantage of something. Oh, the advantage of turning the pump down means my battery will last longer because it uses 3 amps full power. And if it's doing the same job, you know, I might be only using 2 amps. My batteries will last me maybe 2-3 hours. So they'll be in the next coming days. I'll go out and have a bit of a play and a relax and serenity and all that. And I'll see you then. Over.